Here's an idea that someone shared with me in a workshop that I was facilitating earlier this week. Let's say you're leading a meeting and you're addressing or talking about a problem, and you want the team to do some more of the thinking. You think that they've got the capability to maybe come up with the answer, or a solution. So what you do is to step outside. You step outside of the room and you give the team the opportunity to discuss and talk through what the challenges might be and what the solutions might be. And by stepping outside of the room, you're potentially making it easier for people to share their opinion and perspectives. But also you're making it clear that it's not always you who's going to come up with the answer. Now, it might feel a bit inconvenient. It might feel a bit uncomfortable sometimes to be stepping outside of the room. But the value in doing it is that you are enabling a thinking environment. And then you can step back in and see what ideas have been developed. And it might surprise you. It might reinforce what you were thinking, but what you've critically done is to enable that thinking. So our nudge to you this week is take a moment, step out of the room, and give people an opportunity to think through and to discuss for themselves. I'm Peter Russian, very wet environment, and that's your leadership nudge for this week. And this door is getting closed very firmly.